Hi guys, and welcome to Shield's Cooking. Today we're going to make the ultimate Valentine dessert because we're going to make a chocolate soufflé. We're going to make it on a base of blood orange juice, and then once it's baked I'm going to finish it off with a delicious canal of creme fraiche. So, let's begin. Start by putting a kitchen paper on a sieve and let 500 grams of Greek yogurt drain overnight in your fridge. The next day, cut 3 blood oranges in half and juice them. Then put it through a sieve and measure 150 grams of the juice in a saucepan. Also add 60 grams of sugar, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 13 grams of cornstarch and 13 grams of potato starch. Mix this and then while stirring, cook it on a medium heat. Then put it in a bowl, cover it with plastic foil and let it cool down in your fridge. While that's cooling down, put 250 grams of creme fraiche in a bowl together with 25 grams of icing sugar. Then cut a vanilla pot in half and scrape out the seeds. Add them to the creme fraiche and then whip some air in the creme fraiche mixture. Now cover it and let it set in your fridge. After that, pour some tempered chocolate on a plastic sheet and spread this. Sprinkle some grounded pistachio nuts on the chocolate and then cut it with a round cutter. Then let it set for around 30 minutes. Now butter your cups with some soft butter from the bottom to the top. Then mix 50 grams of the cocoa mixture with 40 grams of the Greek yogurt. After that, separate enough eggs for 150 grams of egg white. Start beating the egg whites, and once the white foam starts to emerge, slowly add 85 grams of sugar. Now beat it till you have some real nice stiff peaks. Then mix a fifth of the meringue with the soufflé mixture, and once it's fully incorporated, carefully mix it with the rest of the meringue. Then put it in a piping bag and fill your buttered cups. Now flatten the top and clean the sides with your thumb. Now bake it at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Once it's baked, dust it with some icing sugar and place the pistachio galette on top. And now just finish it off with the beautiful vanilla creme fraiche. Okay guys, I wish you a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you've enjoyed the video, so give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bon appetit!